Hi, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm gonna install this fog lights. It is a JDM Astor. I bought it in Amazon. It is a golden yellow. I'm gonna install it in a Honda Civic Hatchback 10th gen. Okay, let's start. You only have to remove 3 grommets. This one, 1, 2, and here 3, plus this one 10mm bolt. Okay, that's the only thing that you need to remove. This 3, you don't have to touch it, you don't have to remove it, because this one is just holding this. Okay, so you have to push this upward and try to fold it. That's the trick. And then pull it. Okay, there you go. Okay, now it's open wide. So what you need to do is you have to remove this connection first for it, so it's easy for you to twist it. Okay, gonna remove it. Okay, there you go. And then twist it counterclockwise. You hear it pops up. There it is. Here is the JDM, the new one. Okay, you just have to make sure it's aligned like this, and then you'll twist it, slightly push it, and then twist. There you go. See? And now this is the connector. Slightly push it. Here it clicks. It's all good. Give it a try. I already installed the JDM golden yellow lights. Let's see the difference.